With the Arizona 2300 series, you can add expansions at any time. Featuring 4, 6, or 8 color channels, you can effortlessly create the exact hardware configuration you need. Add extra ink channels for an optimum color configuration with light inks, or add clear varnish or a bright white ink for stunning, high-value applications. With the Roll Media option, you can print on media of up to 220 centimeters or 86.6 inches wide, weighing up to 50 kilograms or 110.2 pounds, including thin, heat-sensitive media. This upgrade also allows you to switch between rigid and flexible media jobs without any machine preparation, including safe, unattended overnight printing. The Static Suppression Upgrade Kit enables you to extend your media range to include hard plastic materials such as acrylic, polycarbonate, and styrene,